আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু প্যারামিটার বল না শুরু করুন বল সালাম আলাইকুম প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু প্যারামিটার
Assalamu alaikum. I am going how to calculate present value of annuity. Now given PMT 1000 rate 6% in year 10 and month 6. Now we calculate present value of annuity. Now first equal, then present value and input rate divided month, comma, year into month, comma, and PMT rate, PMT, comma, 0, comma, 0, and second bracket close and enter, and the result is 44955.04. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Now I am going how to calculate sales commission. First of all, given commission rate, sales up to salesperson and sales amount. Now start equal, then if and selected and we select sales amount and greater than 0, comma, sales amount equal less than sales up to 5,000 taka and bracket close and comma, and the sales amount 85,000 taka and multiplication commission rate 3% and comma, and then if and the sales amount 85,000 taka and more than sales up to 50,000 taka and comma, and sales amount 85,000 taka and multiply and equal less than sales up to 1 lakh taka and the bracket is closed and then comma, and the sales amount 85,000 taka multiplication 4% of commission rate, and then comma, then if and we select and sales amount 85,000 taka more than 1 lakh taka and comma, and then sales amount 85,000 taka equal less than sales up to 2 lakh bracket close comma, and then sales amount 85,000 taka multiplication commission rate 6%, then comma, and the sales amount 85,000 taka multiplication 8% of commission rate then the bracket close, and we enter shift, and the commission rate is 300 3,400 টাকা, and we please that the result is below. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going how to show group data in Excel sheet. First of all, we select we select 3, 4, 5 data. Example, revenue, gross revenue and discount. Now we select data button, and then outline, and then group data, and then group, and show the group data of, and the hide, and and this is the group, and show the group data, and then we show the protect cell. Then we select review, and then we protect cell, and select 1, 2, 3, and then OK button, and we select the password, and when we get the password and there is no work in the in the Excel cell, and then we protect cell, and show the password, and then we work of the Excel formula. Thank you.